Hey, welcome back to my page. This is Lily. Thank you. It's always a privilege to have you join me. And for this video, I would just like to say thank you and subscribe and like my YouTube video. You'd be doing me a huge favor.
But before we go any further, I'm going to take this off my wife and I'm going to ask my wife her story.
Okay, my story is amazing. It's a beautiful story. So in the last couple of years, I've just traveled. So I came back to New Zealand in 2020 and it's been an amazing journey. 2020, I came back to New Zealand and then stayed here for about a year and a half, then went back. Last year, November, I went back to Australia, so I stayed there with our pets for about nearly 5 months. And then here for a little bit because I have my husband and my dad is here in New Zealand. Here until the 6th of May. My journey back into Australia, but Sydney this time, where my son and his beautiful wife is living, who will be expecting our first grandchild. I'm going to be a nana. He's going to be a grandfather. And we're going to have a granddaughter.
Absolutely.
And her name is Luta, which is Ruth in English. I'm just enjoying living life, enjoying the moment. You're talking, you're sharing. And
you're fighting.
Yeah, you have your little differences. I miss my pets also. That's another reason why I journeyed back to Perth, because I have some beautiful pets back there. I have 2 cockatoos and 2 puppy dogs. So Savia and Puppy are both back in Perth. And then together me and my sister would drive to Sydney. We're going to stop at Macquarie, spend the night, and I'm looking forward to that little road trip. I love being back here, seeing the family, the homestead. It's wonderful. I'm having a wonderful time. So
Awesome.
What's my advice? Enjoy life every single day. Just do the things that you love doing, because you don't have to be answerable to anyone but yourself.
Absolutely. Thank you, honey. We're sharing because we're joyful. As I said, we're in retirementship, and that retirementship allows us. Let me take it back, say a few years back. We made a trip to Australia in 2012. That trip was a statement that we were going to shift to Australia and make a new home in Australia. Unfortunately, because we were working with the Almighty said, yeah, you can go there, and He did. He took us there, paid for my airfare, and of course paid also for my airfare to return to New Zealand in 2022. So, in your favour, all thing is perfect. And while we're in Australia, He gave me this thing. It's a vision of God showing me His face, taking my hand and saying, son, take my hand. We're going to go places. At the same time, He also showed me a dream, and He said, massive ATM machine. And He said, son, that's yours. Filled to the brim. I said, oh, okay. And before I left Australia, He blessed me also with what it's called the floodgates of glory.
Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for staying till the end. I hope to see you again on my next videos, and please subscribe to my page. Cheers for now. Bye.